How to enable twist to shoot on Insta360 X5. So first of all, scroll down to your control panel, swipe towards the left-hand side. Now tap on twist to shoot option. Now turn on the toggle for twist to shoot. Now over here you can see the instructions on how you can use this feature. If you attach your device to your selfie stick and twist it 2 times as shown in this tutorial, you would be able to capture a video. And then again, if you twist it 2 times attached to your selfie stick, you would be able to turn off recording at the same time. Now, as twist to shoot is turned on, let's twist our device 2 times, which is attached to a selfie stick. You can see that the video has started to record. Now, in order to turn it off, let's twist the device attached to our selfie stick again. Now, the recording has stopped and the video has been saved. So all you would have to do is twist your camera back and forth in order to use this option. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.